You can also see the public avatars option here. Public avatars. As we showed earlier, these are pre-existing avatars like the ones we use in Google Meets. You can use those here if you want. But here, we need the digital twin. We want to create something that speaks exactly in our form. That is what we are actually looking for. These are photos avatars, but that doesn't give a great result. That's from my experience. It doesn't really know how we speak. It uses it in its own way. In my experience, it doesn't give a very good result. But the digital twin is the tool you can really trust, especially if you want to publish content on your social media. Here it says most realistic. If you click that, we will land on a page like this. Here, we can listen to them recording a video if you want. It's speaking generally about the points as I mentioned earlier. It shows examples. It shows wrong lighting, correct writing, and many. The background, everything that we explained earlier. This is the manner in which we need to do it. After that, if we click get started, it tells us the important things to be noticed. Use equipments for 2 to 5 minutes is what it says, at least 30 seconds. When we give footage between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, we get a good result. As we said earlier, set the environment. Look straight ahead. Use equipment properly. Speak naturally. And the points we mentioned earlier, I'm not repeating them again. There is an option here available in the paid version called gesture detection. We will look at that when we go the paid version. Now, if we click next, we can upload the file. I'm uploading the Malayalam file here. Then click next. Here, we have to read out what is written. For verification purpose, I click verify, turn on mic. We have to read out 7, HeyGen 1. Okay, it has gone for verification 30 to 60 seconds so that it is verified. We can also do it using a phone. When doing it with a phone, click the record with phone option. Then a QR code like this will appear. Just scan it. Once scanned, if you go into the link, it is for verification. I'm giving the start recording option here. I click on finish recording and I'm submitting my consent. That's all. I have just pasted the script here. Now let us check it. Let's just try the preview. If you click preview, we can see it. This is what has been generated in Malayalam now. We need to increase its quality. The lip sync will not appear now. We can only see it after generation. I'm clicking generate. In the free version, we will get only 720p. That is the maximum we get in the free version. So, we have received its output. Let us try playing it.
ഇടുക്കിയിലെ മലമ്പാതകളിലൂടെ ആ പോലീസ് ജീപ്പ് ഒരു ആംബുലൻസിനെ പോലെ ചീറിപ്പാഞ്ഞു. പിൻസീറ്റിൽ പ്രകാശിന്റെ മടിയിൽ കിടന്ന് ഡോ. സാബിൻ മാത്യുവിന്റെ ശ്വാസം നേർത്തുനേർത്തില്ലാതാവുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Did you notice the voice? The Malayalam hasn't come out in the way we intended. It is currently set up an English style. If you are doing a video in English, this is somewhat okay. However, there are options to do this in much better way. Also, there are some lip sync issues here. If you look closely, you will understand. So what we have shown so far was actually using the free version. We discussed how to generate avatar videos using HeyGen's free version. I hope you understood, right? The maximum quality we can do here on free version is 720p. Moreover, we can only take 3 videos. We are moving to paid version to avoid these limitations. The charges for the paid version are currently coming around $29 per month. Let's go HeyGen paid version. I have opened the paid version of HeyGen. Here, we can create avatars just like we did earlier in the free version. Here, we are using digital twin to get most realistic output. The things are the same as mentioned earlier. We discussed the camera requirements. So we click next. Here, what should we do? We can take it from the webcam or the phone. I'm taking the same footage from earlier from my local files. There is an option here called remove background noise. When we see this, we might think it's a good option to get rid of noise. That is true. But when we use this tool to remove noise, chance of it becoming more artificial increases. So please note that you get a better output when you untick the remove background noise option. The main thing is to record from a noise-free place when recording. So in this paid account, our verification is complete. Our avatar has been created. Now we need to generate videos using the avatar, right? Let's see. We are going to generate the video by going into projects. I click it the new video option. Here we have to select the avatar. The avatars we created, even though verification is complete, are only 97% ready. We have to select that. Processing will happen there. Processing motion for Satith. This takes 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, we need to know what script is required. For that, I have pasted a script from a novel here. I intend to do this in Malayalam. What I need to do there is select that the audio is Malayalam and its accent is Malayalam. That is the first thing. To get a slighter better result, I changed it the original accent and selected Malayalam. Now is when we actually select the avatar model. Look carefully here. I selected avatar 4.0 or 4.0. That's what gives the best result for lip sync. That's why I'm selecting avatar 4.0. Our motion processing is almost over. Let's move to the next steps. I'm selecting HeyGen 4 model here. And I'm taking its output. Let's see how it is. How it is better than the before one.
ഇതുപോലെ എത്ര പേര് മുന്നിൽ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് ഓർത്തു. ഒരു രാത്രി ഫ്രണ്ടൻ വയ്യാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് ഒരു അപ്പോയിന്റ്മെന്റ് എടുക്കണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ചെന്നു. മുറിയിൽ ഇരുട്ട്. ലൈറ്റ് ഇടാൻ അയാൾ സമ്മതിച്ചില്ല.
Look here. Our voice is a little bit clear. It is understandable at least. It is much better than what we did first in the free version. You can understand the change and that has come with lip sync. Gestures have changed. It has come to a slightly better next level.